What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7 here with the HPI Savage. We done the 2 tanks at idle and we just finished the 2 half tanks at half throttle. So this will be the first tank going balls crazy, flat out. So we'll try it out just on this flat level ground. It's a Saturday here today and the restrictions just came off pretty much for everyone to do whatever they want to do now. So I can't take it to the BMX track, it's actually absolutely packed, but we'll just give it its first test and see how it goes. With the throttle. I haven't heard a change gear yet, but this is the first tank at full throttle now. I just hit full throttle then, but I don't think it's changing yet. Got the temp gun here as well to see how it's performing, and if it's alright we can lean it out, lean it in. Going alright. Let's see that. I haven't heard a change. It does have the shift points, I just have to open it up, but first run I haven't got my tools with me. Let's check those temps. I know I just want to do it on my first run, it's always good to check. There's that gun. Good old Savage. More tuning. Back up and running. Yeah, when I'll do another video, I'll adjust that shift point. It's definitely lean, it's definitely rich enough. Keeps cutting out. I think maybe idle might be a little bit too low when I put the brake on. Apart from that, I think it's running pretty good. Trials and tribulations of nitros, that's for sure, but it's all part of the fun. Start it back up again. Yeah, they do run better after a few tanks. The tires grip well though. Pretty good. See those temps. I found about 110 degrees in the manual. When it shutters like that, it's a little bit lean, but got his brakes. Pretty good. Alright, what do you guys reckon? I'm going to go home, do another video. I'm going to adjust it. That was, well, probably a third of a tank. We'll go home, do another video, adjust that. Hopefully we can get it out onto actual track and do some jumps where, you know, where this is well deserved needs to be. But pretty flat. But it goes well. I think so. It sounded nice. The temperature was pretty good in my opinion. It says 110 is what you want, and we're at 111, 117 there max, but you know, in average it's around about 110ish. So we'll see how that goes. See if I should adjust that shift point so we can shift in a second, because I didn't hear it shift unless that's a new transmissions and it's super quiet. Generally you can hear that nice little kick, and that's what you really like out of these little nitro motors, that audible gear change. But whatever, I think it went well. First full tank on 20%. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. And if you have this, or you know if it needs to run a few more times before it shifts, let me know. Cheers guys.